Oh man, I hope you guys are stoked, man. I hope you're happy. I hope you're having fun. What I need you to do, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends. We're talking about how to make money online. First thing you need to know, everybody wants to make money online and everybody thinks they can build an online course. Truth is, most online courses, 9 out of 10, don't make any money. I'm going to tell you the reasons why they don't make money, and I'm going to go through the steps and procedures that you need to go through in order to help give yourself a competitive advantage. Are you ready? Number one, the first thing that you need to do, you're an expert, you're a smart person, you're ready to share your expertise with the world. But the first thing you've got to do, you got to Google it. You have to do the research. Write that down, do the research. If you're not doing the research, you have no idea if anybody even wants to buy your product. Guys, you gotta do the research. It's super important. First thing you do, start with Google keywords. It's easy. Key them in, research pops out, baby. So you keyed in the keyword, how to make money. And you figured out, man, this is a good one. 50,000 people a month are searching for how to make money. That's 600,000 people a year. That's fantastic. But as you read down, as you niche down into how to make money, what you notice is 90,000 people a month are asking the question, how to make money online. Almost twice as many people want to know how to make money online versus just how to make money. You see, how to make money is general. How to make money online is niche. If you can answer how to make money online, you're going to be in a better position than if you're just sharing how to make money. Additionally, if you put in the keyword how to make money and you're really teaching how to make money online, you're missing half your audience. So let's rock out. So I hope you understand that. That's the good example. Let me give you a little tougher example. A tougher example is maybe you're the best harpsichord player in the world and you want to teach people how to play the harpsichord. So you're going to create an online course teaching people how to play the harpsichord. And then you build the course, but you didn't Google it. And you're like, oh man, that Peter Anthony guy, he said I should Google it first. Let me go Google it. I spent 3 months building the course. I got the best harpsichord course on the planet. I'm ready to share it with everybody. Well, once you Google it, you realize only 10 people a month are looking to learn how to play the harpsichord. That's 120 people a year. Now, that's the bad news. Here's some good news. The good news is those people are probably really buyers. But unfortunately, I was one of the people who Googled how to play the harpsichord to figure out that there's only 10 people. So there might be a couple of buyers, but you're going to have to adjust your price accordingly. And in that case, you might actually be better off trying to figure out how to do virtual lessons, or you might even want to do live lessons because there are so few people searching for the harpsichord. There's probably not a lot of people teaching it, and you're in a much more competitive space. So what I'm sharing with you is not that you shouldn't create a course that's congruent with your expertise. My suggestion is, if you're going to create a course, you should know the size of the market before you create the course. And that'll help you understand the time, effort, and energy necessary to put into the course in order to get the results that you're looking for. Super stoked. So that's the first thing you have to do. So I hope that was helpful. That was the first thing you have to do. Start with the research. Now you've done the research, you've niched it down. Here's the good news. Every problem has a series of problems that the person who's trying to solve the problem is really stuck on or afraid of. Now, what I'm sharing with you is once you find the niche that you want to build an expertise around and share that, drop down and tell me what are the 10 problems or more that anybody who tries to solve this problem is going to run into. What are the 10 problems learning how to play the harpsichord? What are the 10 problems learning how to make money online? Get through those 10 problems. That's the most important thing. You need to niche down the problems, and then once you have those problems listed, this is a really important part. Get your pencil out, get your paper out. You're about to write this down. Once you've listed the 10 problems in the niche that you're going to share your expertise in, you are then going to create the 3 things that are necessary to solve that problem. So first, you're going to do the research. Second, you're going to niche down the research. Third, you're going to find the problems within the problem. Fourth, you're going to actually list out the 3 things that are going to solve that problem. Well, get to work. Why are you still watching this? Start writing and researching. I'll give you the rest in a second. Wow, you guys are fast, man. I'm excited though. So, you found the problem. You found the niche in the problem. You've identified the 10 problems that happen when I get stuck on that problem. Now you're ready to go. You've got 3 things that are going to solve that problem. These are the 3 things that are going to create confidence and allow you to solve that problem so you can get to it. Now, here's the thing I want you to do. You've got the problem, the sub-problem, the real problem, the niche, right? You've narrowed that down into 10 potential problems within the niche, and you've solved each of those problems in your 3-step process. Now, I want you to ask yourself a question. Look at number 1 and say, if I solve number 1, will my student feel like they've saved time, energy, and made more money? Will my student feel like they've saved time, they're no longer frustrated, they have more energy, and they've actually made money? Because that is the one thing that they needed to solve to feel validated about the problem we've identified. If the answer is no on the first problem, add the second problem. Well, if I solve the first 2 problems, will my client save time, energy, and make more money? If I solve 3 problems, will my client save time, save energy, and make more money? As soon as you get to the make more money part, that's the course. If you have 10 things and it takes you 1, you have potential for 9 other courses. If you have 10 things and it takes you 3, the other 7 are your master class. Ooh, Peter Anthony, you just threw us a bonus. Yes, I did. Most online course creators solve too much, and then what happens is people are trying to solve all the problems simultaneously, and you've solved problems and you've addressed problems that are going to be problems that aren't problems yet because they haven't done anything and people won't do anything. What I need you to do is solve just enough to excite them, just enough to get them motivated to do something, just enough to create confidence, and then sell them the second course. That is how you make money with online courses. Don't over-deliver. What you need to do is deliver exactly what they're asking for. Solve the exact problem that they Googled. And then tell them, hey, if you run into more problems, I've got more solutions. So I hope that was helpful. So now, quick recap. You Googled it. You figured out you're an expert. You solved this problem. You niched the problem down. You found the problems within the problems. Then you went and you found the solutions within those problems. And you determined of your list of all of these things that you're going to save them time, energy, and make them money. And now you're looking and you're saying, okay, cool, how much should I charge? I'm going to share with you how to figure that out. How much time are you saving them and what's their time worth? Write that down. I've saved them 100 hours. In general, they make about $50 an hour. That's worth $5,000. I've saved them a massive amount of frustration. Psychologists are getting $175 an hour. They're going to need 10 hours less of psychotherapy. That's another $1,750. So far, we're up to $6,750 that of value that I've delivered. I've taught them how to make money over the next 5 years, and the amount of money they're going to make is somewhere in the realm of an extra $10,000 a year. It's another $50,000. So a total value of $56,750 That's the value of what I'm about to do. Could be a little bit more, could be a little bit less. I want to charge you $297 for my entry-level course. Is it worth it? The answer is going to be, guys, a resounding yes. But here's the thing. What I just taught you to do, it's called a value stack. What's the value of your time? What's the value of overcoming this frustration? And what's the amount of money you're going to make because you're applying my process to your problem? Boom. You now know how to build the outline of your online course. You're about to crush it. So once you have that outline, you know if it's worth your time, energy, and investment to move forward, or if you have to pick another niche that you're an expert at and share that one instead. Man, I know this was worth it. I know this is gonna save you time. I know it's gonna save you frustration. And man, we're about to make a lot of money. I hope I see you at one of my group seminars. I hope I see you at one of my free seminars. And I sure as heck hope that you like and subscribe. Thanks, baby. Share the love.